Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Huawei smartphone to your LG K51s, for the first you have to get application to transfer data. So let's go for the Play Store and get this application, CLONEit. It's really easy to use, it works really good and really fast, and the most important, that it's totally free and you don't have to pay for it. So if you finish download, just open it on the both smartphones. Right now you have to click sender on your Huawei smartphone and receiver on your LG. Click here search again, and right now we have to tap on this Android share icon. But if you get any request for the permissions, you have to accept all of them, for the storage, for the gallery, for location. There's what this application required. So let's go for our Android share, and we have two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code, but also we can input this password manually. So pick your way. I'm going to scan the code, it's the fastest way. Accept the request, and right now you have to select all of these icons when you want to send everything, right? If you want to send only photos, you have to just select photos. But if you want to get some details, maybe you want to send one song, two videos, one picture or something like that, you have to click here for the details, right? And I'm going to show you how it works on the music. I'm going to send this to music from the Post Malone. Click start, OK, and as you can see, it's finished. So that's how it works. And thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!